Fresco, Texas. It is often seen as a success story for the Indian American community, right? Over the years, thousands of Indian families have moved there, helping transform the whole city into one of the most vibrant South Asian communities in the US. Indian restaurants, grocery stores, temples, cultural events, and businesses. Everything has become an important part of the local life now. But now, an anti Indian controversy. It has sparked concern among many residents. Well, the whole controversy involves a Pakistani American political figure who has been accused of using inflammatory language and actions that created confusion and tension within the whole community. Well, this whole incident, it has generated debate both locally and online, with many Indian Americans expressing concern about how misinformation and cultural division it can damage community relationships. For many Indians living in America, stories like this, they are disappointing because they come at a time when the whole community it has made significant contribution to local economies, schools, healthcare system, technology companies. Many immigrants move to America seeking better opportunity and peaceful lives. Well, when political or cultural controversies emerge, they can create unnecessary division among people who live and work together every single day. Now, many community leaders they are now calling for dialogue, understanding, responsibility of the leadership just to ensure that local disagreement they do not escalate into broader tension. Well, for the Indians who are living in Fresco and across America, maintaining community harmony, that remains a top priority. Now, ladies and gentlemen, ironically, while some communities continue debating immigration, many parts of America they are actually struggling to find enough skilled workers. Just when many Indians they thought that getting the H-1B visa it was difficult enough, another requirement has entered the picture. US government they have just announced that it will expand social media and online presence checks for all the H-1B visa applicants and their H-4 dependents too. So this basically means visa officers they may now review applicants' digital footprint just as part of a screening process. According to the US Embassy in India, applicants may even be required to make their social media profiles public so that they can review it during the visa process. For thousands of Indians who are planning to work in America, this whole announcement it has created a fresh uncertainty. In fact, many people they are now wondering that what kind of posts, maybe comments, likes, or online activity can be examined here. In the meantime, others worry that something taken out of context it can create unnecessary complications during the visa process. In the meantime, the US government says that the goal it is to strengthen security and just to ensure that applicants they can qualify for the visa that they seek. But for many families, it adds another layer of stress to an already very complicated immigration journey. For years, applicants they focus on degrees, work experience, employer sponsorship. Now, many are paying equal attention to their digital presence. In fact, it is another reminder that immigration rules in America they are evolving rapidly, and Indian professionals they are among those who are most affected.